I'm showing the back of the bag the whole time. Why I ain't saying nothing? This is my Coach bag. Ugh. Sue me if you disagree.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel. Boy, you give me chills, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a quick little video about this Coach bag, y'all. Coach has really been stepping up. Like, if you agree, like, I love that they're coming back with their old stuff, but I love that they're also putting a twist on it. I saw Coach had slides. I saw that they had the belt bags. Like, I really love the puffy the puffy flat bag that they came out recently that everyone's been talking about. Love it. And I also love that they're affordable. Literally, like, even like their most popular bag right now is less than $500. And to be honest, if we're being honest, if you've watched my previous what's in my bag videos, literally the finish, I can't think of the finish right now, but the finish on this bag is literally the same on Louis Vuitton. Like, it feels the exact same. I personally believe they use the same materials. We're just paying for the name. Sue me if you disagree. I truly believe even this might, like, Louis Vuitton, Coach, they probably get this shit, excuse my language, they probably get this stuff for what, $10 and 100 times the price. Raise the price 100 times. Like, I mean, granted, it's cute, which is why I'm okay with splurging and buying Coach. Like, I love the new stuff that they're coming out. I also have a Coach backpack that I'm gonna do what's in my bag, but I'm gonna probably do it closer to school time because it's a backpack. I mean, yeah, it's a backpack. So let's get into it. This is my Coach bag. I bought it during fall last year, and I personally like to wear and have my items for a while before I do what's in my bag or before I do a review, because I mean, I want to give y'all as much information as I can, pretty much. But this is the bag. I love the finish. I'm gonna put in the description box, but I can't even think of what the finish is. Now, anyways, this is the bottom of the bag. And this is the back of the bag. Comes with straps. I'll show y'all how the straps look on me. I am 5'8.5" for reference. I love where it falls. Wait. It falls. Sorry, let me get my camera. It falls right there on me. I love it. And sometimes when I'm feeling different, I will carry it just like this. Like, just like so. It's so cute. I've gotten so many compliments on this bag, you guys. Anyways, let's talk about what fits inside. Because the bag isn't that big, obviously I don't wear it every day. I wear it on special occasions. I'm actually in a hurry. I'm going on a date with my boyfriend. So I thought, you know what, why not pull this out? And I feel like it goes with my outfit, so the whole brown and black. I'm showing the back of the bag the whole time. Why I ain't saying nothing? Anyways, yeah, the whole brown and black vibe, neutral, that's what I like. Granted, I did buy a new bag. Yes, it is Louis Vuitton. No, it's not brown. Stay tuned for that. I bought it actually like a few months ago. So again, I like to wear my bags, have them, use them before I give y'all a review. I just think that's the smart thing to do. But anyways, it is not a huge bag, so I don't fit my everyday essentials in it. So I'm gonna show y'all what fits inside. Honestly, a lot can fit in this bag. It might not look like it, and I didn't even fill this bag to the brim. I didn't want to because I don't want it to look bulky, because when you start to overstuff, it'll be bulky on the sides, and I didn't want that. But I will show y'all what I am carrying in this bag today on my date. So it is a 2-zipper bag. I'm opening the first zipper in the front. First thing I pull out is perfume. What is up with me and pulling and showing out the back of the items? But perfume, light blue, one of my favorites. One of my best friends put me on. Hey, Samara girl, if you're watching, she watches my videos. But she put me on this perfume years ago, and I love it. This is actually a bottle my parents bought me for my birthday in September, and I'm almost done with it. Like, I love this perfume. Let me go ahead and spray you a bit for. Yeah, I low-key might do a my favorite perfume collection video. My boyfriend loves the scent. I'm just placing things that are in my bag up here, so if you hear a noise, it's the stuff that I took out of my bag. A mask. Y'all know what times we're in, so I don't even need to explain. I talk about food in every video. In every what's in my bag video, I talk about food. Look, you guys, I need a snack. Granted, we're going on a date, but sometimes the wait be long, especially if you're... So I need a snack while I'm waiting, okay? Especially if, you know, I don't want to go off on the waiter. I don't want to be rude on the waiter because I'm hungry. So I like to carry a snack in my bags. And high key, I bought this like a week or two ago. So yeah, I might eat it, I might not, but a snack. Chapstick. I love this chapstick for extra dry lips. I love the formula. For some reason, my lips, I mean, I guess anytime the seasons change, my lips get very dry and harsh. And this has been working wonders. I have it on my lips right now. Speaking of lips, this is a Fenty lip gloss that my other best friend got me for Christmas. Hey, Ashley girl, if you watching. I put this on top of my chapstick just to give it a little tint. But yeah, it's just lip gloss. And I also show this in every what's in my bag video because I use it everywhere. And it's so small and portable. But it is my AirPod Pro. Yeah, I don't need to open it. I mean, y'all know what AirPods look like. And if you're interested in any of the items, I will try to find the link and link them in the description box. Because I know in some of my previous what's in my bag videos, I got questions on where some of the stuff, some of the items in my bag, I got asked where they were from. So I'll try to link them down in the description box. This is my sister's fundraising. I don't know why this is in here. It's a card. No need for explanation. So that's all that could fit in the first flap. Now to the second flap. That looks like so. Car keys. My phone. I got 2 missed calls from the same number. Who is this? Anyways. If you like my home screen and you want me to do a tutorial on it, like the video. But yeah, it's my phone. I post this all the time too. My wallet, card holder, necklace that my sister got for me. Hey sister. Yeah, I love this thing. It's so small and portable. It's Kate Spade. You can see. Okay. There. Yeah, and a pen and some paper. I don't know. In case I need to write something. And like every bag, it also has like stuff where you could keep cash and other cards, which is what I have, cash and other cards. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this was gonna be a quick video. I love this bag so much. It can fit a lot more. I just, again, I don't want to overstuff it. I don't want it to be bulgy. I love, let me show y'all how it looks without the strap. For those that would like an idea. The detailing, it comes with this Coach doggy tag that I really like. The zippers say Coach on them. The finish, I just love, y'all. Huh? Like, if I had a dress, I mean, ignore what I'm wearing, but low-key, this low-key don't go. But I don't care. I'm already late. As you can see, if it seems like I'm rushing this video, I'm already late. But, yeah, it looks cute without the strap. I originally wanted this in white. And I was actually going to get this color for my sister for her birthday. But every time I clicked, the white, I think, because they have a black one of this too, which I don't really care for. I have so many black shoulder crossbody bags, so I didn't really care for the black finish. The white looked so cute. I love the reviews on the white, but the white sold out quick. So, I mean, I was indecisive between this one and the white one, and I'm glad I went with this one because I have so many neutrals and browns in my closet. And yeah, but I love this bag so much. It is wonderful for the price. If you have any questions, let me know down in the description box. I will gladly answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. If you want more, let me know. Let me know what other ideas you would like for me to do. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.
I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around.